Elaine Harding. Welcome to my blog stampwithelaine.com and welcome to this Fun Fridays project. You don't need to confine yourself to use a set of dies or stamps for its original purpose. You can mix and match. So I've mixed using stamps from the Lemon Zest and combined it with Coffee Cafe as well as the Swirly bird. This is the card we'll be making. The Swirly bird are the ink splatters here. The cup obviously and the straw is from Coffee Cafe. The greeting and the slices of citrus fruits is from Lemon Zest. We'll also need the dies to cut out the straw and the cup. Pumpkin pie and Calypso coral. Daffodil Delight with So Saffron and Tranquil Tide with Lemon Lime Twist. We'll need some vellum cardstock, scraps of Whisper White to stamp on. I'll probably need more than that. The card base is half an A4 sheet, cut at 8 1/4 by 5 7/8 inches. In centimetres that will be 21 by 14.9. And it's been scored in half at 4 1/8, that's 10.5 centimetres. The layers are Tranquil Tide, that is 5 3/4 inches by 4 inches. In centimetres that's 14.6 by 10.2. Then the pumpkin pie on top, and that's 5 5/8 by 3 7/8. So in centimetres that's 14.3 by 9.8. Then you have your standard Whisper White, 2 cut at 5 1/2 by 3 3/4, one for the top and then one for the inside of the card. We'll also need a foam mat underneath because some of these are photopolymer stamps. 1 3/4 inch circle punch to punch out the slices. I've mounted my stamps on an A, B, D, H, G blocks. Need some sponge daubers. Let's get started. First I'm going to stamp my mug, Daffodil Delight. I'm also going to stamp the ice cubes, also in Daffodil Delight. I'll stamp the straw. That's slightly crooked, but it's only the top bit that's going to show, so I'm not bothered about that. I'm going to stamp the lemon slice in a paler ink shade. I'll use the Daffodil Delight and sponge around the outer edge. Clean the stamp before I sponge the outside. Stamp on my Whisper White scrap. Clean my stamp. Stamp the orange in Calypso coral. Take the pumpkin pie sponge dauber and sponge the edges with pumpkin pie. Clean the sponge. Clean my stamp, ink it up with the Lemon Lime Twist for my line slice. Swap ink pads with Tranquil Tide to get the dark edges on the rim. Clean ink. Stamp. Next we want to punch out the slices. Bring in the magnetic platform and make our sandwich, base cutting plate, the cardstock and the die, the straw and the larger cup. pop that on top, and I'll go and run that through the big shot off camera. Bring back my vellum cardstock, and I'm just going to do this by eye. Grab my scissors and follow the cup and cut a bit beyond it, and then just fold this round the back. Cut say about 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimetres parallel to the line of the cup, like so. Grab a bone folder and reinforce the lines. If there's anything popping up over the top, I'll just snip it off. I forgot to turn the record button on. So anyway, I've turned that on its front, and I've just used a sponge dauber to sponge the back of the vellum. And I'll put that aside and let it dry while I do other things. So I'm going to pop the straw in here. And grab my card front and do a bit of stamping. To stamp my sentiments, and I want one in Happy Birthday in Tranquil Tide. Oops, upside down. Never mind. Smudged a bit there, so do it again. Trim that down. Snip that off. And now we're ready to assemble it. So this should be dry. Tear and tape on both these sides. Remove the sticky backing. Fold back the surplus. And pop that over my cup. Make sure that's down properly, and I'm just going to curve that a little bit. Pop it up on dimensionals in the middle, take off the backing, and then just pop that on your card. Blue dots on the back of the lemon slice. Because it's lemonade, I'm just going to cut that up to the middle, use the lemon slice and pop that in. I may have to cut a bit of this off. Pop it on dimensionals. The orange slice in half. Pop one end on dimensionals and the other with a glue dot. Might stick better if I took the backing off. First of all, stamp happy birthday, staggering it just there. Oh no, unbelievable, I've stamped it upside down. Okay, try again. So you can rescue something from the brink. So never fear, we'll do it this way. And then we can have it the right way up. Glue on the back. Now the pumpkin pie. More fingers and thumbs today. Dropping things, stamping things upside down. Let's do the inside of the card. Just do a tester first. Yes, that's the right way up. And to decorate the inside of the card, I've just stamped more ink splatters. I'll just stamp another ink splatter there because to hide that smudge. Put this on the inside. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial, even though I made lots of mistakes. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe or share on Facebook, and my grateful thanks if you do. If you're watching from YouTube, you'll find the list of supplies I use below this video in the Show More section, with direct links to my online store. They'll also be listed on my blog here at blog.stampwithelaine.com. You can find me on Facebook, Pinterest or Instagram. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll be back soon. Bye!